Hey guys, I entered a long trade not too long ago on TF. I got in here at this, scroll out a little bit. So I got in right there, get that highlighted. So I got in there, that double bottom just past the 78.6 retracement on the uptrend, and the trend line here just broke back into the trend line. So I'm going to hold this, and I'm going to roll my stop up to break even, and from here see what we could do. I'm looking to take it back up to probably somewhere right around this 50% retracement. May not happen today. That's a big move, but it's certainly possible. So somewhere right around that 50% retracement. Once we've now we've broken back in. We've got pretty a clear path, at least up until this 1361 level. So that might be my first target. This one right here is really my ends target. I'm gonna pause this video and just start it back up once we get a little bit more movement. So sit tight. I'll see you with a trade update in just a bit. Hey guys, so back, and you can see that we're up about 100 more from the last time that from the first section of the recording, and you can see that off of that break in, we've now gotten the retest of that trend line, and it's starting to show some bulls. So my targets are definitely in sight here. This is also another interesting one to watch. But you can see that we're starting to get some bulls. So I've got my stop rolled into break even. If we can get up here and test and show that the bulls are still there, I'm going to pull my stop up to just below this trend line here. But other than that, I think I'm just going to sit with it currently where it is. I might pull it up a little bit if we start to get some bears, because I don't want to give all my profits back. But for now, I'm gonna leave it where it is. If we start to see some bears coming out of this trend line, I might pull it up to the body of these candles and just get out with a little bit of a gain. But for now, up 660. It's not a bad trade so far. I don't want to just get in and scalp this one though. I kind of want to take it to a couple of levels that I have predefined. So again, I'm gonna pause it. I will jump back in when we've got some more movement. Alright guys, so we're at that level that I had mentioned. You can see I pull my stop up to 1356. We're at the level that I had mentioned, so I want to watch for the reaction here. If we can push past this, I'm going to pull my stop up to just underneath this trend line. Currently it's sitting right here, right at 1356. But I've liked the bulls that I've seen out of this. You can see we're up to about 800, just a little over. This is going to be, kind of my line in the sand to see if this next target is feasible. So, once we start to get a reaction, hopefully we can just blow past it. If not, then I'm going to reassess, start testing it just about now. I'll leave this live for now. I'll leave the recording going. I only have 15 minutes worth of recording time, so if it gets to be too much just sitting there watching price move, then I'm going to pause it and jump back in once we've made a decision at this point. But as of right now, we're testing it. I don't see too strong of a reaction off of it in one way or the other. So again, we're rolling right off of a nice double bottom, right around a lot of structure, and we gave a break in and a retest, and so I've got my stop rolled up. I'm now comfortable. You can see that the bulls are still pushing past it now, so that's looking good. Okay, so we just hit 1,000. I'm gonna leave my stop where it is. I don't know. I don't know where. Okay, so we've blown right past it. I'm now gonna adjust my stop. I'm gonna pull it up to just underneath the body of this candle. You can see we're approaching quick on the levels that I had targeted. That first level anyways, that support level. So I'm gonna see if I can ride it up there. Otherwise, I might have to adjust my stop if we start to see some bears and pull it just underneath where we broke through. But that remains to be seen. So if we go back, we're at 1140. Pull my stop up to just underneath the body of this candle. I'm actually, you know what? I've had a decent day. I don't want to give it, but I haven't had a grab bag day like I would have liked. So I'm just gonna take this trade carefully. I'm going to pull out as soon as I'm happy with the profits. So we're sitting at 1160. I'll see if I can pull it up to here, to this 1361.5 level. And if we start to see some bears, then I might pull it out. I'd say probably around 850 or so would be my threshold at this point that I'm willing to give back. So I'd take profit at, if it dropped down to 850. I'm gonna pause it. I'll update you guys with what I end up doing, and I'll start the video back up shortly. Okay, guys. So we got to pull back down to these levels, and you can see now testing. We're now testing up here. I just missed what I had identified as where I wanted to pull off. It ended up being profited down to 900. I said I was going to pull out at 850. I ended up staying in. We're currently sitting at 1260. I am not going to try and take it all the way back up to the 50% retracement. I like what it's doing, or I like where I'm at with profit and what it's sitting at currently. It very well may get up here, but I'm not going to be greedy today. I'm just going to take it off probably somewhere around 1100. Yeah, 1160. Yeah, I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to sell it back. So I just took the, I don't know if you could hear that. I could hear it in my headphones. It gave me the order filled confirmation. I just took profit off at 1160, and I'll be interested to see what this does for the rest of the day. You can see that we've still got plenty of room to go up. That target right there that I originally had identified is certainly possible, but I am not going to be greedy today. I've taken maybe 3 or 4 trades, and I don't necessarily want to overtrade. 3 or 4 trades for me today is plenty. You know, it's snowing out pretty good. I gotta go clean myself out, and I don't want to be just sitting around waiting for trade management to happen. So I'm not going to be greedy today. Took it off at 1160. I'll try and do a couple more of these. Oh, you can see it's spiking up real nice. Yep, I could have taken it up there, but it is what it is. I had my target, my first target. I hit it, took it off. It's honestly the trade management or the holding to get up to here and everything. I could have very well rolled my stop and just kept rolling it all the way up, but you can already see the bears that we've had today. It's not worth, you know, getting another one of these candles to take out my stop. I'm happy with what I got. So if it gets up here, great. You know, that's a good retracement if we can get back up to somewhere around these levels, you know, the 61.8. I might consider looking to short, depending on what the charts look like, or I might just call it a day. Yep. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will try and snag another live recording. I'm in nothing right now, but if I get into anything else, like I said, I am from home today. It's snowing out like crazy, so I'm probably not going anywhere. So hopefully I can record another one, and if I decide to take another trade. Hope this helped. I'll see y'all in chat.